Ladies and gentlemen, it's Tie-Dye Hobo.
Hey guys, it's Tiedye Hobo over here in beautiful Hawaii, where the sun's always shining and it's always beautiful. This is Princess. Say hi, Princess. She's a good girl. She didn't get to be in the last video. Alright, so you guys, over here in beautiful Hawaii, where it's always sunny and beautiful, whenever you come back to Big Island, Hawaii, come on over and check out Tiedye Hobo, or just Google it. Today we're going to do some really cool stuff. We're going to do some hang dyes on some sweatshirts. And we're going to do some rainbow colors because it's June 5th today, and it's rainbow month. So we're going to celebrate how God gave us the rainbow, that he wouldn't destroy the earth again with water. But see, a lot of people don't believe in God, I think because they don't want to believe that there's a creator. And that way they have to be accountable for their actions. You just want to die and become a blade of grass or turn into something else, or not even have to deal with this world again or this life or whatever. But no, we're here for a test to see how we treat each other and how we love each other and how we walk a moral guideline. We can do all kinds of stuff that's bad. It's easy to do bad stuff. It's really tough to do the right thing. So, but then again, there's definitions of bad and good on both sides. People, switch them around. But you know what I mean. You know what I mean. So there's no need to deceive yourselves. So, but let's check it out. We're gonna do some really cool art right now, and I love you guys. And thanks for checking it out. Come on. Oh yeah. Thanks God. Thanks Jesus for the talent you give me, so I can share it with everybody. Thank you, Lord. All right. So we're going to do this sweatshirt. We're going to do this one, the Cosmic Burst. It's going to be from the, okay, here's the front of your shirt or sweatshirt, right? So I want to find the center. The center is usually in the center, underneath the underarm, about right here. Right, so I get it on the clip, and I got a clothesline and a clothespin or a clamp. Probably a clamp so it'll hold the sweatshirt, Alright. Okay. Now we're going to do rainbow colors, okay? It's going to probably look psychedelic when it's done. So I'm going to do this yellow first, right here. I have to give it a good squirt because it's a sweatshirt. So it's going to absorb a lot of stuff. And then again, stick it inside the crevice and give it a good squirt. Watch out, it'll start coming down the leg or the arm or whatever. Okay, give it a helper. Alright, now we'll give it some orange over here on this side. So I'm just letting it squirt down. Give it a little helper. Okay, now I'll get the red. Fuchsia. I come over here on this side. Okay. Again, squirt it in the crevice if you need to. And get it down in the crevice. Okay. See, there's the idea, and then give it a little bit of helper. Okay. Looks cool so far, yeah? Alright. Now I'm going to get turquoise, so you can see it on this side. I'm going to stick it in the crevice again. And get a helper right here. Okay. So, I'm going to give it a couple little helpers with the red and stuff over here because it's a sweatshirt. I'm going to make sure these colors reach down here at the bottom. And then yellow. Alright. See how when the yellow hit the green, it turns yellow, blue turns green. Okay, now we're going to get a little bit of purple, not too much. About 1.5 inches from the top. And then give it a couple little, just down the arms. Okay. Now we're gonna let that thing do its thing because it's right now it's melting downward, you know. So we're gonna spin this over the side here and get another one going here. This one, the next one here, it's gonna be the Aurora. The Aurora. Okay. I'll show you how you mix colors on previous videos if you want to check that out. It's kind of cool. Alright. So the Aurora, you can get the front of your sweatshirt, right? And this right here on the top of the shoulder. Okay. Oh, maybe that's not strong enough. Okay. Make sure it stays. I hope it stays. Let's see how that looks on the video. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay. So hopefully it doesn't fall down, you know what I mean? This one's tripping out, man. It's looking cool. It's melting down nicely. It's gonna be cool. Cosmic Burst. Okay, so now, again, we're gonna get yellow. Okay. So I'll come around here on the edge here. And I give it a good squirt in the crevice here. And this one here, give it just to help her down that arm. Okay. Now some orange. These could be rainbow colors, you know. But it'll mostly likely look psychedelic because, you know, it's trippy how the sunlight creates the prism of the rainbow. You know, it's so beautiful. We get rainbows here in Hawaii all the time. It's really beautiful. You know, I'm going to do the red. See, again, this is a sweatshirt, so it's going to take extra absorbent. Give it a helper. And then now the turquoise. It's right here. Okay. Get a little helper down the arm. Okay, I got some orange there. Orange helper here. Right here. Just on the arm. Alright. Now I'm going to get purple. Now I'm going to get purple. Again, just right here. Okay. And then on the other side. I'm not going to do too much because I want this to be bright. They did that yesterday, too much on it. And let's see how that looks, right? So you can always come up on top and push it down a little bit by squirting some of the colors you have on top. All right, so we're gonna let this do its thing and open up in a few minutes here. Hang on. All right. Check out the Cosmic Burst. Oh, wow, man. Wow. There's the front and back. That looks really cool. Really cool. All right, now we're going to check out the Aurora. Okay. Wow, man. Yeah, look at the back. Wow, that looks really cool. See, I didn't use that much purple on there. If I did, it would probably took it all up. But that really gave it the effects. See, I'm just as excited as you guys are. All right, you guys, thanks for checking it out. I hope you have a great day. And hope you guys learned something. Make sure you love each other, you know. All right, aloha. Bye.